What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on XRP. So if you're interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin, what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, and for example what is the exact setup that I'm planning to take, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today on a daily time frame with the most important areas. First area is this bearish order block, which is between levels 3.13 and 2.94. Then this bullish order block, which is between levels 1.45 and 1.28. And you can see under this area, we already took liquidity. Another thing that we are currently forming here is this falling wedge, which is a retail setup. And me personally, I am not trading this, but XRP is a coin like a lot of retail is actually interested in this coin. So we can actually use this to open a trading position. So right now with this falling wedge, I'm actually waiting for a breakout and then a support confirmation of this area, because if this will happen, this can be actually a decent long opportunity. On the other hand, keep in mind this is a retail setup. There is pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above, and then without the support confirmation we will gonna retest lower areas. But if this will be a support confirmation, this can actually give you a decent trade with kinda good risk reward ratio, because stop loss you need to place somewhere back to this falling wedge, so the stop loss will be really small, and last take profit target you can place under the current high, which will give you a potential profit around 37% of a net market. Potential stop loss will be probably around 6, which will give you a risk reward ratio up to 6.47. Definitely, this is not going to be your final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under this bearish order block, and then some of the profits you can take above, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. Another way how to actually trade it is to place your, let's say, last take profit targets above this bearish order block, because if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation, we can open here a new long position. Me personally, I probably wouldn't be taking this breakout and then a support confirmation, because there is pretty high risk. There is simply, let's say, pretty high chance of a liquidating grab even with a support confirmation. But if there will be this breakout with a support confirmation of this very important bearish order block, you can simply place your stop loss under this area, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And my last take profit targets I want to place under $5 mark, so potential profit around almost 58% of a net market, stop loss around 7, risk reward ratio up to 8.1. So with multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is still gonna be like 6, 5.9, something like that, which is in my opinion really great potential trading setup. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am every day sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Another way how to open here a long position is simply to wait for another retest of this support of this falling wedge. And in my opinion, not that many people are trading like French in the falling wedge setups, but if we are gonna retest this area on like a lower level, and I mean we are gonna retest it on this exact level, you can see this will be like a support of this falling wedge and support also of this bullish order block, so level approximately 1.45. This can be, in my opinion, absolutely perfect long limit entry. Stop loss you want to place under this bullish order block. Again, last take profit target you can place under this high, or if you want you can place it under like $5 mark. This is in my opinion the next level where the XRP will go once there will be a break of the current all-time high, which will give you absolutely insane risk reward ratio up to 18. This is in my opinion really great. On the other hand, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna retest this bullish order block again. So if you want, you can actually speculate here just for a limit entry if there will be another retest. Better way how to approach this is to wait for a liquidity grab under, then a support confirmation, and then you want to place your stop loss under that low that will be created during that fake out. So if the market will do, for example, let's say something like this, and then a support confirmation here, you want to place the stop loss under the low that will be created during that fake out. Last take profit targets, again, under that $5 mark, which will give you potential profit like 155% of a net market, risk reward ratio up to 16 with multiple take profit targets, like still risk reward ratio around 10-11, which is another absolutely amazing setup that you can take. If you are asking if it's like a good opportunity to open a long position right now on a daily time frame, in my opinion, no. We are under important resistance. We are, let's say, above important support. Next resistance is here. There is simply no great risk reward ratio on both long and a short side. If I'm gonna switch on a 4-hour chart, there is one setup which is connected with this bullish order block, which is between levels 2.28 and 2.24. If there will be liquidating with a support confirmation, you can take here like a scalp long trade. Stop loss you want to place under a low that we will create on your fake out. Last take profit target you need to place under this resistance of the falling wedge. So let's say potential, if the market will do, let's say something like this, there will be an entry. Here can be a take profit target. So potential profit around 17.7% of a net market. You can take like 2 take profit targets, risk reward ratio around 4. This is, in my opinion, another recent setup that you can take. But the main setups that I'm currently watching are remaining on a daily time frame that I was talking about. On a weekly time frame, XRP is honestly looking really great. Even the whole market is dumping XRP. I know XRP is down from a current all-time high around like 30% of a net market, which is quite similar like BTC if we are gonna compare it. But you can see that every time there is like a bigger dump, we have here like an increased bullish volume. So in my opinion, because this was such a great bullish volume when we took liquidity under all of these previous important lows, I don't think we are gonna retest this lower area, and the next huge move will be that $5 mark. So if you're interested about, for example, buying XRP to your long-term portfolio, of course, this is a fundamental thing. If you believe in an XRP fundamentally, this can be an interesting accumulation zone. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy my exact trades, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing my trading setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and there are much more bonuses. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.